San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video was kind of recorded unexpectedly. As we were leaving an audit, I was walking up to, well, just walking from one place to another. And I seen this officer here. I decided I was going to go record him. As I was standing there recording him, he decided to turn over to the right and look at me. He's actually at a stoplight. He's at a red light. And when I walked up to him, he just started looking at me, and I just kind of pointed over to the right. I ended up bumping into Tulare County Cop Watch's camera. As I was sitting here, I see him looking at me, and I point to the right. And I said, look forward. And I'm so glad I told him to look forward, because N2Film was getting ready to cross the crosswalk. If he was not paying attention, I think he could have hit someone, especially N2Film. And so as I turned over to the right, I seen N2Film was actually having issues with his wheelchair. The officer did wait. He was kind enough to wait for N2Film. But what we saw, what I was looking at, to me was pretty hilarious. Something that made me giggle. Anyways, watch the video, guys. I hope you appreciate it and enjoy it. Thank you, guys. And shout out to N2Film. Go subscribe to N2Film. This happened in Sacramento. Also, a big shout out to Wolfie Gladly, who flew in all the way from New Jersey to record with us. Big shout out to Tulare County Cop Watch, who's always putting in work. And big shout out to Nate Skates 182. Awesome kid who has a channel, and he loves doing what he does. And he'll even do a skate trick for you at the end of his videos. So go subscribe to all these 4 channels and let them know San Joaquin sent you. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the video.
He doesn't know he's with us. Hey.
That was the funniest shit ever. Holy shit. That was the fucking funniest shit ever, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you fucked with him because he had a chance to go and you just fucked you. That shit was fucking legit, bro. Fuck. Where'd Tulare go? Look at, he's still there. He's still there, bro, waiting. He's still fucking there.
They hella mad behind you, bro. Look at him, he's still talking shit. That's unlawful use of the horn. You're not supposed to honk the horn.
She's mad, huh? That's it.
No, that was Yuba City Police, and they were calling out Homeland Security Police.
Get to work.
Feel me?
Yep.
Look, it's a courthouse right. If we turn right on this corner, it's a courthouse, a civil courthouse. They got my picture right at the desk. And the Superior Courthouse, they got my picture at the desk. I ain't able to go in this courthouse, so I don't know. They just gonna say, they might try to say y'all can't bring y'all cameras in here. That's a lie. Y'all just can't be recording in there. They can't tell y'all can't have y'all shit. What if y'all leaving court and finna go to work after that?
Yeah, that's right.
And you don't got a car, so where the fuck you gonna leave your shit?
Right, no
in
shit.
the courtroom to turn your devices off or put it on
Exactly, so you can take your shit.
San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm at the Sacramento courthouse. We're gonna do a First Amendment audit, see if they respect our rights to record in public. Hey buddy, how you doing?
I'm doing well, how about you?
Not too bad. Sacramento County Courthouse. You try going?
N2Film's around the way somewhere.
No, he's not coming in.
Not coming in, okay.
Oh, gotcha.
How's it going?
Can't videotape inside. Outside, yes. Inside, no.
Oh, what do you mean? It's not public accessible?
It's public access, yes.
But the like you mean inside the courtroom? I wasn't planning on going inside the courtroom, sir.
Not in the courtroom. We just wanted to take some pictures of those lovely flags that you have there over there on the wall. And some of the things that the public come in and normally see.
They can do the first part.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm right here sitting next to none other than Wolfie Gladly, all the way down from New Jersey. He's going to say hello.
Yo, what's up, guys? Shout out to Philly area, New Jersey area, PNN, Philly News Now. Check them out.
So we did this audit in Sacramento. We drove all the way up to go meet up with N2Film. We took Nate Skates with us and Tulare County Cop Watch. This audit right here is probably one of my favorite audits, along with some of the other ones we did in Sacramento with N2Film. You guys stay tuned. You guys are going to like the videos that are coming up. Thank you.